What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Correct answer is option B 118. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option D Burkina Faso. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index 2024? Correct answer is option D 96th rank out of 180 countries. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option C 4th. According to the Henley Passport Index 2025, which country has the most powerful passport? Correct answer is option C Singapore. Which country has emerged as the world's largest importer of arms according to the latest SIPRI report 2020-24? Correct answer is option C Ukraine. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index in 2024? Correct answer is option D 159th out of 180 countries. What is India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is option A 105th out of 127 countries. What is India's rank in Global Gender Gap Index 2024? Correct answer is option A 129th out of 146 countries. Which Indian state has topped in the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option A Orissa. What is India's rank in the Economic Freedom Index 2024? Correct answer is option B 84th out of 165 countries. What is India's rank in the Network Readiness Index 2024? Correct answer is option A 49th rank. What is India's rank in the Sustainable Development Index 2024? Correct answer is option A 109th out of 166 countries. Who has recently released the Wealth Report 2025? Correct answer is option C Knight Frank. What is India's rank in the Global Nature Conservation Index 2024? Correct answer is option D 176th out of 180 countries. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2024? Correct answer is option B 39th among the 133 global economies. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2024? Correct answer is option C 63rd out of 120 countries. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2024? Correct answer is option C 116th out of 163 countries. What is India's rank in the Travel and Tourism Index 2024? Correct answer is option B 39th out of 119 countries. According to World Cybercrime Index 2024, what is the rank of India in cybercrime globally? Correct answer is option C 10th rank. What is the rank of India in the Environment Performance Index 2024? Correct answer is option C 176th out of 180 countries. What is India's rank in the International Intellectual Property Index 2024? Correct answer is option A 42nd rank out of 55 countries. Global Unicorn Index 2024, recently released by which organization? Correct answer is option A, Hurum Research Institute. What is the rank of India in the Asia Power Index Report 2024, recently published by the Lowy Institute? Correct answer is option B, third rank. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Climate Change Performance Index? Correct answer is option D, 10th. What is the rank of India in the AI Preparedness Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 72nd, out of 174 economies. How many cities in India are among the 20 most polluted cities in the world? Correct answer is option A, 13 cities. Which organization released the Future of Jobs Report 2025? Correct answer is option A, World Economic Forum. What is India's rank in the Rule of Law Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 79th, out of 142 countries. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2023-24? Correct answer is option B, 134th, out of 193 countries. The Global Multidimensional Poverty Index 2024 is published by? Correct answer is option D, both B and C, UNDP and OPHI. What is India's rank in the World Investment Report 2024? Correct answer is option B, 15. Which Indian state has topped in the State Food Safety Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which city has been declared the cleanest city in India in 2024 for the 7th consecutive year? Correct answer is option D, Indore. What is India's rank in the Henley's Passport Index 2025? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.